Dog autumn attacks, syphilis autumn, and death visits one of twilight's paralyzed legs. Everything dries out, and all roads' boundaries blur. The old singer's voice droops on the recording. Hi, Jugsun no? This isn't Jugsun. Jugsun. In midair, the telephone line loses the receiver, and once departed lovers never return, not even in a dream. In a guest room inside the tavern of time, where the stagnant wastewater of memory stinks like horse piss, I ask, in a voice awakened from dishevelled death, how far have I gone? How far yet to go before the river becomes the sea? That was Dog Autumn by Sung Ja Choi, translated by Kathy Park Hong and Wong Chung Kim.